Ever wonder how to share your skills and knowledge with the world? Well, tutorials are a fantastic way to do just that. Not only can they help others learn new skills, but they can also showcase your expertise in a particular field. Tutorials come in all shapes and sizes, varying according to the nature of the subject matter. You could be an exceptional cook wanting to share your secret recipe, a DIY enthusiast who's found a new crafting trick, a coding guru with a knack for simplifying complex concepts, or even a musician with a unique way of playing an instrument. Regardless of the topic, the goal remains the same: to educate, inspire, and make learning fun and accessible for everyone. So, if you've ever thought of sharing your knowledge but didn't know where to start, you've come to the right place. In the next few minutes, you will learn how to create a step-by-step tutorial on any topic you're knowledgeable about. The first step in creating a tutorial is to choose a topic you're knowledgeable about. This might seem obvious, but it's essential. Your topic should be something you're passionate about. Maybe you've been playing the guitar for years, or you're a whiz in the kitchen. Use that knowledge to your advantage. But it's not only about what you know, it's also about what your audience wants to learn. To identify potential topics, think about questions people often ask you. What problems are they trying to solve? What skills do they want to acquire? Now, consider the interests and needs of your audience. If you're a coding expert, but your audience is interested in arts and crafts, a tutorial on Python programming might not be the best fit. It's all about striking a balance between your expertise and what your audience wants to learn. Once you've chosen your topic, it's time to start planning your tutorial. Planning your tutorial is a critical step in the process. A well-thought-out plan is the backbone of a successful tutorial. It gives your content structure, flow, and cohesion. Start by creating a clear, concise outline. This should include the key points you want to cover and the order in which they will be presented. You might be wondering why the need for an outline? Well, an outline gives you a roadmap to follow. It ensures you don't leave out any crucial information, and it helps you stay on track. Next, consider any materials or preparation that your viewers might need. Is there any equipment they should have on hand? Any prior knowledge they should possess? Make sure to include this information in your plan. Above all, simplicity and clarity are key. Your instructions should be easy to follow, with each step clearly explained. Remember, your aim is to help your viewers, not to confuse them. With your plan in hand, you're ready to start creating your tutorial. Now comes the exciting part: creating your tutorial. It all begins with writing a script. Think of this as your roadmap, guiding you step by step through your tutorial. It doesn't have to be complex, just a clear, concise guide to help you stay on track. Next, it's time to record. Keep your tone consistent, your voice clear, and your pace steady. Remember, we're not in a race here. Take your time and ensure your audience can follow along. Now, on to editing. This is where you'll add your visuals, clean up any errors, and fine-tune your tutorial. Don't be afraid to make use of graphics, diagrams, or any other visual aids that will help convey your message. Creating an engaging and easy-to-follow tutorial might seem like a daunting task, but with careful planning and a little creativity, it's a breeze. Once you've created your tutorial, there's just one step left: sharing it with the world. Now that you've created your tutorial, it's time to share it with the world. There are numerous platforms where you can share your knowledge and expertise. YouTube, for instance, is an excellent platform for video tutorials. Social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter are also great avenues for sharing shorter, more digestible content. Don't forget about your personal blog or website. It's a great place to host your tutorials and provide additional resources. Remember, the key to reaching a wider audience is promotion. Use your existing networks, engage with your audience, respond to comments, and don't be shy to ask your viewers to like, share, and subscribe to your content. You might also consider collaborating with other content creators in your field to increase your reach. Remember, the goal is to share your knowledge, and the more people you reach, the more impact you can make. And there you have it. You're now equipped to create and share your own tutorials. Go forth and share your knowledge with the world.